Life, in all its complexity, relies on a delicate balance of elements. Among these, four stand out as absolutely vital: oxygen, water, sodium, and potassium. These elements are the fundamental building blocks that underpin our very existence, playing critical roles in numerous bodily functions. Without them, life as we know it would cease to exist. Imagine a grand orchestra, each instrument contributing to a harmonious symphony. Similarly, these four elements work in concert, their roles intertwined and interdependent, ensuring the smooth functioning of our intricate biological systems. From the air we breathe to the fluids that course through our veins, these elements are essential for every breath we take, every heartbeat, every thought we conceive. Understanding their importance and how they interact is crucial for maintaining good health and well-being. This essay delves into the fascinating world of these vital elements, exploring their individual roles and the synergistic ways they work together to sustain life. Oxygen, a colorless and odorless gas, is the very breath of life. It fuels our cells, providing the energy needed for every bodily function, from the beating of our hearts to the firing of our neurons. When we inhale, oxygen enters our lungs and binds to hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells. This oxygen-rich blood is then pumped throughout the body, delivering oxygen to every cell. Inside the cells, oxygen is used in a process called cellular respiration, where it helps convert glucose or sugar into energy. This energy, in the form of ATP or adenosine triphosphate, powers all cellular activities. Without oxygen, our cells would quickly starve and die. This is why we can only survive for a few minutes without breathing. Water is often called the universal solvent, and for good reason. It makes up about 60% of our body weight and is involved in countless bodily functions. Water acts as a solvent, dissolving nutrients and transporting them throughout the body. It also helps regulate body temperature, lubricates joints, and flushes out waste products. Despite its importance, many people are chronically dehydrated. Common symptoms of dehydration include fatigue, headache, and constipation. In severe cases, dehydration can be life-threatening. Sodium often gets a bad rap, but it's an essential mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining fluid balance and nerve function. Sodium acts as an electrolyte, carrying an electrical charge that helps regulate the movement of water in and out of cells. This process is crucial for maintaining proper cell volume and function. Sodium also plays a critical role in nerve impulse transmission. When a nerve cell is stimulated, it releases sodium ions, which create an electrical signal that travels along the nerve fiber. This signal is what allows us to feel sensations, move our muscles, and think. Section 5. Potassium, the balancing act. Potassium, like sodium, is an electrolyte that plays a vital role in fluid balance and nerve function. However, potassium has a balancing effect to sodium. While sodium helps water enter cells, potassium helps water exit cells. This balance is crucial for maintaining proper cell volume and preventing dehydration. Potassium is also essential for muscle function, including the heart. It helps regulate heartbeat and blood pressure. Section 6. The dance of fluids and minerals. The interplay between water, sodium, and potassium is a delicate dance that ensures proper bodily function. These elements work in concert, regulating fluid balance, nerve function, and cellular health. When we consume sodium, it draws water into the bloodstream, increasing blood volume. This triggers the release of hormones that signal the kidneys to excrete excess sodium and water, restoring balance. Potassium works in tandem with sodium, helping to maintain the proper balance of fluids within and around cells. This balance is essential for nerve impulse transmission, muscle contraction, and overall cellular health. Section 7. Hydration and mineral balance in daily life. Maintaining proper hydration and mineral balance is crucial for optimal health. Here are some practical tips to ensure you're getting enough water, sodium and potassium. Hydrate regularly. Aim to drink water throughout the day, especially before, during and after exercise. Consume electrolyte-rich beverages. Sports drinks or coconut water can be beneficial after strenuous activity or when experiencing dehydration. Eat a balanced diet. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which are naturally rich in potassium. Monitor your sodium intake. While sodium is essential, excessive consumption can lead to health problems. Be mindful of hidden sodium in processed foods. Section 8. Debunking myths, dispelling common misconceptions. There are many misconceptions surrounding water and mineral intake. Let's debunk some common myths. Myth: you need to drink 8 glasses of water a day. Fact: individual hydration needs vary depending on factors like activity level, climate, and overall health. Myth: all salt is bad for you. Fact: sodium is an essential mineral. The key is to consume it in moderation. Myth: sports drinks are only for athletes. Fact: electrolyte-rich beverages can benefit anyone experiencing dehydration, not just athletes. Section 9. A symphony of elements. Conclusion: oxygen, water, sodium, and potassium are the fundamental elements that orchestrate the symphony of life. Their roles are intertwined and essential for every breath we take, every beat of our hearts, and every thought we conceive. By understanding the importance of these vital elements and how they interact, we can make informed choices to support our health and well-being. Maintaining proper hydration, consuming a balanced diet, and being mindful of our mineral intake are key steps towards ensuring these elements work in harmony to sustain us throughout our lives.